Everybody, Matt here with Big Red Liquors, and I've got another fantastic red hot deal. This is Wheatley Vodka. So if you're a fan of Buffalo Trace, if you love their bourbons, the Wellers, the Buff Trace, the Blantons, the Elmer T. Lee, the Eagle Rare, this is their vodka, named after their master distiller, Harlen Wheatley, a native Kentuckian. This is distilled so many times I lose count. It's basically distilled 7 times, and then it's blended with another distillate that's distilled 7 times, and then it's reblended again, distilled 3 additional times in a pot still right in the heart of the distillery from a wheat mash recipe. So, and then it's bottled at 82 proof. So it's got this nice, light, sweet flavor profile. But still kind of a rich, creamy texture, which you want in a premium vodka. Tastes great mixed, tastes great on its own. So this is the, this is from the same distillery that makes Pappy Van Winkle. So I guess you could say this is the Pappy of vodka. Cheers.